Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of chainsaw accessories, focusing on what could be the best 18-inch chainsaw blade out there.
Let's get started.
Introducing the KAKEI 18-inch chainsaw chain. Designed with precision and durability in mind, this chainsaw chain is making waves in the market for all the right reasons.
Let's uncover what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk specifications.
This chain boasts a 3/8 LP pitch, .050 gauge, and 62 drive links, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of chainsaws including Poulan, Cobalt, Echo, and more. But what sets the KAKEI chainsaw chain apart from the rest?
It's all about the materials and craftsmanship.
Made with German steel, each chain undergoes meticulous heating, temperature control and punching, resulting in unparalleled toughness and flatness.
Now, let's talk performance.
Thanks to Japanese chrome-plated technology, the cutters on this chain offer superior durability, staying sharp even after extensive use.
Plus, with hardened and quenched rivets, you can say goodbye to frequent chain tension adjustments. But wait, there's more.
The KAKEI chainsaw chain comes with built-in corrosion-resistant properties, ensuring longevity and reliability, even in tough outdoor conditions. And with its low kickback design, you can tackle your cutting tasks with confidence. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, the KAKEI 18-inch chainsaw chain is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Get yours today and experience the difference for yourself.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy cutting!